Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need playable audio files before you open iMovie, so start by making sure Apple Music is signed in with the same Apple ID on your devices and iCloud Music Library is enabled. Once done, download the specific songs for offline use. Streaming-only tracks won't import. If a track is protected with DRM, convert or repurchase a non-protected version so iMovie accepts it. Then open iMovie and create a new project. You're ready to import those downloaded files into the media browser. Now import the downloaded files, open Finder, go to your music library and locate the file in Media. Drag the song directly into iMovie's media pane or drop it onto the timeline beneath your video clips. You can place it as background music or attach it to a specific clip. Choose based on whether you want global or clip-specific audio. Make precise edits by trimming ends, splitting at cut points, and nudging the audio to match action. This ensures beats align with cuts and dialogue remains clear. Finish by mixing levels. Lower music under dialogue, add fades for smooth transitions, and apply iMovie's EQ or fades to prevent clipping. When you export, choose appropriate audio encoding. AAC or MP3 at 192 to 320 kbps usually works well for uploads. If something goes wrong, first confirm the track isn't DRM protected and that it's fully downloaded. Then check file permissions in Finder and re-import. If issues persist, convert the file to a standard AAC/MP3 and try again. This resolves most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.